Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bubble Skincare squishy. We will dive into the fascinating world of skincare formulation, exploring the essential components and techniques needed to achieve that delightful, bouncy texture. You'll learn about key ingredients, precise mixing methods, and crucial tips for maintaining your product's unique squishiness over time. Get ready to transform your skincare routine with these simple, effective strategies. To achieve that coveted squishy texture, selecting the right ingredients is paramount. Humectants, like glycerin at a concentration of 2 to 5%, are crucial for drawing in moisture, making your product feel plump. Gelling agents, such as xanthan gum at about 0.5%, provide the necessary structural integrity. Finally, a touch of emollients ensures a smooth, soft, and truly squishy sensation. Beyond ingredients, precise formulation techniques are key. Gentle, consistent mixing, perhaps for 5 to 10 minutes, helps to evenly distribute components and incorporate fine air bubbles, contributing to the squishy feel. Maintaining a cool temperature, around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, during the gelling phase ensures a smooth, stable matrix. Also, balancing the pH to a slightly acidic range, between 5.5 and 6.5, enhances overall product stability and texture. Once you've created your perfectly squishy bubble skincare, maintaining its unique texture is simple. Always store your product in an airtight container to prevent evaporation and keep it fresh. A cool, dark environment, ideally below 25 degrees Celsius, will help preserve its integrity. For optimal squishiness and effectiveness, aim to use your product within 6 months of opening. Enjoy your delightful, bouncy skincare experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.